Why is it that we have leaders and we cannot feed ourselves because there is a war in Ukraine? How can it be that in many African countries the unemployment rate is anything between 35 and 80%? Our young men and women are graduating from institutions, but they have nowhere to go. How can it be? Because we are exporting all our jobs. How can it be today that all our manufacturing is happening in China? When I want a flask, the Chinese give it to me. When I want pepper, the Chinese give it to me. When I want a pen, the Chinese give it to me. When I want a pencil, the Chinese give it to me. And when I want shoes, the Italians give it to me. When I want shirts, the Belgians give it to me. When I want watches, the Swiss give it to me. When I want water, the Americans give